Now we'll create a one more dashboard with a different format. Go to dashboard, new dashboard. Okay, once you select a new dashboard, now we'll check with the size. For example, we'll take a automatic size here. Automatic size has been taken, and we have been taken a plotting. Okay, we have been taken here objects in a plotting. Then we'll add a map, click and drag. You can see that now it is not fitted to entire thing. Okay, now what will happen here is just giving us to control the map, like we can resize the map as per our requirement, as per our requirement. Okay, you can see it gives it allow us to move anywhere. In previous case it was not like that, right? It was like a only the two way we can able to adjust, but here we can adjust anyway. That is the main advantage of the plotting. Okay, for example, if you like to delete this one, you can keep anywhere you like to object. Similarly, trend line, double click so that you can insert it. Now you can select and drag. For selection, we have to click here. If you select anywhere, you will not be able to drag. You have to select here on the top, that two line, then only you can drag and place. Go to corner and change the size like this. Okay, again, if you like to change the size like this. Okay, if you like to add this filter on a right hand side, you can add it on a right hand side like this. Okay, like this we can change. Again, if you like to add some text object, here in objects we have a text we can add here. Okay, you can write something like this report says, like this we can add. Later you can select that one and to change the font size. Okay, change the font size, structure, alignment, color, everything you can change. Again, you like to add something, this report says insert here like a name, you can insert a sheet name, like this you can do this one. Here you can insert it, you can change the size like this, you can move wherever you like to keep. Okay, like this you can insert the text. Similarly, you can insert the image also. You can directly choose the image from the some of the your system, or you can paste the URL and you can insert the image. Similarly, you can do a web page insertion. You can insert directly a web page URL you can give. Okay, that particular web page URL will be inserted here. Okay, www dot say like this. That particular web page will be loaded if internet is connected, and that will be shown here. Okay, for example, if you take a web page connected internet now, just for a demo giving a google.com, so that it will give the entire Google web page. Okay, so you can give the web page here, you can add any of the things here. Okay, these are the major things we can use in our objects. And major difference between a plotting and tailed is nothing but a, in plotting you can resize or you can move wherever you like. In tailed it will be a fixed, like a here. Okay, if you selected a tailed and if you start dropping, it will take some of the entire sheet it has been taken. Okay, like this it will be difference. the tailed and floating, but we suggest to select a floating so that you will be having a control over a drag and drop and resize the your dashboard to resize your charts to fit into your dashboard.